to another GZVR video. This is called Animal
What?
Company.
If you're too far away from me, wait. There's a radio.
There is? What are you talking about? Oh my god, look at that thing jiggle.
Hello?
Oh, there
Hello?
is.
Copy.
Hello?
Copy.
Hello?
Bring the watch to your mouth.
Hello?
That's awesome.
Oh, it actually works. That's so cool. Okay, let's
Oh
go.
my god, it's nighttime now that we left.
Wait, it's nighttime?
Yeah. Oh, never mind. As soon as we leave that area.
Okay. So it's really dark in here.
Go into the caves.
Where I just were.
Go where I just was.
I'm right in. I'm right behind you.
What's that noise?
Oh my
What
god!
is that?
You got a big dumpy.
So do you. Oh my god!
What is that?
What the hell?
Oh
What
my
the hell?
god!
Oh, it's beating me.
You,
Did it just eat
we can
Zayden?
punch it. Punch it.
Oh, he punched me. Wait, I'm watching you. Oh wait, am I What? That's so cool. So when we die, I can. Zayden, when we die, we spectate each other.
God,
That's
you
so cool. Is
died.
this a mine? Ah!
Whoa, it shows that I have $100.
I think I'm dead.
Meet me in the caution tape circle.
Already over there. I stepped on a mine and ended up blowing up.
Oh. Okay.
Hey, everybody watching this video, credit goes to whoever this is, because they.
Wait, can
made
I
this
touch your
game.
ass?
I'm
Oh my god, I
sorry.
can.
Oh my god.
Okay, wait. So we start with the $100. Look at it. You
Bro,
start.
you're gonna get
start
us
with the $100.
canceled. You held up a whole bakery, my guy. Look at that. Oh, yo, you bought a flashlight. I want one. How do we pick it up? Oh, I think we need
Hold,
a backpack.
No, you're just supposed to hold. No. All you're supposed to hold is A.
Oh,
Then we can turn it on and off now. How do we turn it on though? Oh.
look, do I have a backpack on my back?
Yeah. Okay. You keep the backpack.
Oh, whoops, dropped my flashlight.
Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, this is actually really well made. I love this. Oh, whoa, it's glowing. Whatever's over there. Okay, so there's monsters places, so we're basically exploring. Just like we would have done, but in real life. If we... Oh, we die. We died. Oh no, does that mean I lost my backpack and stuff?
No.
No, we lost our
lost
stuff. I just bought
everything.
that backpack and flashlight. No, I can't buy anything else. Oh no. Okay, wait, there's little selectors. A crowbar? A grenade? What is that? The thing under my mom's bed? A tablet? What is that? Oh, that's like
Why do
a
you have a
big
dump bed
flashlight. Okay, so how do we get money?
I think by solving the puzzles.
Okay. Let's try. So you're the only one with a flashlight, which is okay. That's the mine I blew up by. I think it's great that there's actual blood in this game too. This is really well made. Other than the fact that you've got a whole bakery behind you.
Oh, this is the forest.
Now,
Damn,
mind you,
you
me and
got
Zayden were looking for more horror games because you guys seem to love our horror games.
There's
Wait,
landmines
wait.
over here.
Yeah, don't step on them, you'll blow up. I learned the hard way.
I want to be careful.
Whoa, what is that? There's bananas.
Helicopter. Wait, no. Bananas.
And a boombox? The boombox makes me jump really high. What do the bananas do?
Wait, I think we can sell the bananas.
Yo, that's why there's backpacks. Wait, okay, let's go try. Let's go try to sell the bananas. Then we can
Let's
go
go wait
explore
until it's night. Yeah.
with our newfound items.
What's that? Oh.
I almost just blew up. I almost stepped on a mine.
Whoa, look it up there.
Whoa! I'm gonna try to get up there. It just looks like simple parkour. So that's what I'm gonna do. Simple parkour up there with my bananas. I've got a pretty long one on my body already.
Testing.
I'm in the circle.
I'm doing parkour up. Oh! Never mind. I fell.
Okay. My question is, how do we sell these?
Do we sell them, actually? Oh, Zayden, what's that? Look at that. Oh, oops.
We're completely new to this game.
Whoa, it echoes. Start talking.
I'm going up the tree branch.
It echoes. That's so cool. This is so well made. We're so new to this game. Okay, I'm gonna drop my bananas.
Oh my god.
What do you see?
I'm phasing through everything.
You're phasing through everything. What do you mean? Oh, Christ. Oh my.
My hand goes right through everything.
Say that again. I couldn't hear you.
My hand goes right through everything.
Oh, there you are. Oh my god, that whole bakery is crazy. Oh my god, my hand goes
I
through
just felt
things
like a
too.
dirty ass nigger.
Yeah, my hand goes through them all too. Alright, well, I'm gonna go try to explore. If you find a way to make money, tell me.
Okay, I'll be going. Let's go our separate ways.
Okay, we'll meet up back at the circle in a bit. Stay on comms though. If you find anything interesting, tell me. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh! He's chasing after me! He's punched me. He's punched me. Oh, look at him.
Where are you right now?
I just got punched by the guy in the cave. Oh, there you are.
Oh my god.
Watch out, he's gonna punch you. He's coming fast.
What the?
He's after me! Run!
Oh my god!
Run! Oh my god, Zidane, I can't believe you let that guy to me. Oh,
There's lime.
Christ. I'm at a dead end. I'm moving away. What do we do?
I'm currently moving in a very...
I see him! He's
Don't
coming
worry.
after me! I'm hiding.
He's coming after me.
I can hear him. It's a whole maze in here.
Ah!
I think we need to find some sort of exit. There he is! He's gonna see me.
Where are you right now?
Shh. I don't know if he can hear me, but I'm scared.
He can hear you.
Because this game does allow us to use our microphones. I'm running out. It's too dark for my liking.
Help! Help!
Zayden! Zayden, where are you?
Grab me!
Hey!
Oh my god,
He's
he's got
grabbing
you!
me!
He's got you!
Ah!
Oh my god, run! This way! It's a dead end.
You're cooked. You're cooked. I just
Case. I'm only
got one more hit left.
He's after me! Oh, he's stuck, he's stuck! No, he's not! Ah!
No!
No!
Well, that was
I'll
a
avenge you.
nice
Eat this
death.
banana, you fatty.
You call me a fatty?
Wait, I'm gonna try to throw the banana on the floor and see if he goes to it.
Oh, no way, there's an actual flare gun.
Oh my god.
There's a shotgun.
What
Zayden,
is
there's
that?
so many things. There's so... Did you just die?
Help! Help!
What's this? Zayden, where are you? Oh my god, you're still alive.
Oh my god, I ran away. Come here. Look. There's a whole nother monster over here.
What are you talking about? There's nothing over here. What do you mean?
Look. There's a left or right. I went down and I saw a spider.
There's nothing here though. All I see is your bakery.
What do you mean?
Your big, fat bakery.
What do you mean? What do you mean? There's nothing here.
What?
There's
the
really
fuck?
nothing here. I don't see anything. It's just a cave. Full send. What's that? Holy Christ!
The Spider-Man.
Zayden, what was that?
Something.
What the hell just killed me?
When his cameras turn red, that means he can hear you.
He is very fast. I wouldn't approach him.
Distract him.
I'm coming back.
Okay. Maybe back over here.
Okay.
Eventually, we can buy like shotguns and flare guns and stuff. It's absolutely crazy.
We gotta make more parts to this game. This is awesome.
I know.
Okay, I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna be very quiet.
Is that a
The
fish?
angler.
It's an
No,
anglerfish.
yeah, the angler is the one who like shows them where we are. As long as the
What the
angler
hell?
doesn't see us.
It's after me.
Oh,
It's red light, green light.
Red light! Red light! Did Zayden just get eaten? Zayden, are you alive? Zayden! Zayden, are you alive? It's green light.
He just killed me. Oh my god.
Red light.
You have to grab my flashlight.
I can't! Ah!
It's over there. It's over there.
Zayden? Hello? Zayden? Where are you? I can't... Say something, please. I've got no money. Say something, please.
What?
What happened? Where are you? What's your location?
What?
Where are you?
I'm at the cave where I died to.
I'm going there.
Oh my god! My flashlight!
Do you see it?
Yes, I grabbed my flashlight.
Yeah, well, my backpack and my flashlight are down in an ocean.
maybe we can grab a fishing rod and fish it out.
How do you suppose we make money?
I think by killing the monsters or get whatever they're hiding. We still have a whole nother area to find. Cause look,
Well, Zayden, explain to me how we kill them.
I don't know. You said there were shotguns.
Yeah, but they cost money.
Oh yeah, we're cooked if we fall.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost fell! I'm okay though. Take it carefully.
What the fuck is that?
It's like a Buddha statue. Oh look, some cups. What in God's name? It's guarding loot, Zayden. Be quiet. I've got a cup. I think we can sell it. I think that's how we make money. Watch out!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Run! It's gonna eat you! No! Oh!
Did you just die?
Zayden! He knocked me off! Those jiggle physics, though, are crazy.
It's about to fall off the edge. It's a chicken and it's a chicken mixed with a wolf.
Do you think I was able to sacrifice myself? Do you think it actually fell off?
Yeah.
Did it fall? Zayden,
Yeah?
did it fall?
Did it what?
Did the chicken wolf fall?
No, it almost did though.
Damn, my sacrifice didn't work.
You can see your health on your watch, like your meter right by your heart.
Yeah, I see.
Came out of the caution tape.
There's red dots on my screen. Ah. What's that in my mouth? Nom nom nom. Ararara.
I think we have to eat the bananas to heal. So
Yeah, well, I've got a banana and a boombox, so, there you are, yeah. Look. So, we eat the bananas.
Wait, maybe I can peel a banana.
We eat the bananas, we sell the boombox, right? Wait, stay right
Maybe.
in that position. Stay in that position. No, stay still. Does that taste good? Open your mouth. Say I just shoved a banana all the way through you. Through one end and out the other.
What's that noise?
I don't know.
Whoa.
Let's take our loot back to base.
Okay.
okay.
Boys, comment down
This is
below
gonna
if
be
you
a
want
long
us to
video.
make more part. Oh my god!
No! No! I just saw you die!
Well, boys, comment down below if you want to make want us to make more of this, because we definitely will if this performs
I
well.
grabbed your boombox.
Thank you. Yeah, I see you, Zayden. Thank you.
You
Okay.
like, you got busted on.
I was literally like, so if you want to see us make more of this, and then I blew up. But yeah, the video's not over yet. Stay tuned, because we're gonna try to find a way to sell things or make money so we can get guns, weapons. I'm gonna try to make it up there. That's my plan with my boombox. My boombox is very useful. It helps me climb faster and better and easier.
There's a parkour section over here.
Oh no! It glitched. I think I'm breaking my leg every time I step with this thing.
Yeah,
First funnel.
thank you guys for watching this video. Let us know if you enjoyed. I'm using it as a pogo stick.
Yeah. I was actually gonna try to find a way to sell something or make money before the video ends. So,
Oh,
we're gonna try to
okay.
do that.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Let's see. There's gotta be something to do with this rocket ship over here. I mean, just look at it. And it echoes when you go inside it. Zin, there's a whole nother way over here with more landmines.
Following you.
You're following me?
Yeah, there's probably more.
Zin, there's a big hole.
Oh yeah, we're cooked.
Oh, it's not a hole.
I'm
What is
guessing
it?
we have to find a
The
wire
wire.
to reconnect so this opens. That's
There's
what I'm
a
guessing.
lot of wires. Okay, let's go try. Let's try. This game's very interesting. Because you've got the wires everywhere.
What is that noise?
Watch out for the landmine.
I love landmines.
Oh my god! Zayden! Zayden, no! Yeah, well, that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna clap Zayden's cheeks. Just kidding. I'm gonna go.
Keep on eating my bumhole, please.
Say that again?
Keep on eating my bumhole.
I'm good. I'm good, bro. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more, comment down below, and we will show more. Because me and Zayden are both very curious about this game. But yeah, subscribe. Oh, it didn't blow up.
If you're black, you won't subscribe either.